Hello everyone, welcome to the vlog. I'm leaving for Nigeria tomorrow. Well, no, I'm going to New York tomorrow, and then from New York I'll be going to Nigeria. And I'm stressed, I'm overwhelmed, I'm nervous. I literally have like so much I still have to get done. Right now I'm going to go get my nails done. I need to pack. There's some last minute shopping. But anyways, let's go get my nails done. Hopefully I'm not late for my appointment. This always happens when I'm late for an appointment. I hope this gas is enough to take me there. So how do I... Hi, hello.
How may I help you, sir?
I'm having an appointment with John.
With John?
Hey, how are you?
Hello.
So what do you do today?
Just something simple. Just going to get Stiletto Gel X.
Đẩy đầu đẩy đi.
Để ra ngoài nữa.
Okay, it's giving dirty December. Like, y'all, I did not know the nails were gonna come out this long. I've gotten Stiletto Gel X nails long. Like, I feel like these are the regular nails I get, but maybe because I haven't had long nails in so long, they feel long as hell, y'all. Like, I feel like I got claws on. But I kind of like it. I'm digging it. It's so funny that I like red nails now, because I used to always think of like red nails as like, that's so auntie. Only aunties get nails like that. But like, something about red nails just is like luxurious. It's so chic. I don't know how to explain it. But obviously like getting these red long talons like this is like not chic. But like, it's good. I'm doing dirty December. I have to give bad bitch. These are my bad bitch nails. Like, back home, look crazy, super overwhelmed. There's a lot going on. I have all my packages here. Gonna try on my outfits. Chima's on the phone. Say hi, Chima. Hi. I'm about to try on more of my last minute packages. I'm so glad everything came, and we're gonna plan some outfits. Skim Shapewear is really doing its job. Like, it's holding the titties. Okay, Ego. Good quality. No, it's actually gonna be really cute with like heels. It could be like, I don't know what I'm gonna wear it for, but yeah. But I'm sure I'll find an occasion for it. Who knows? It might be an all-white party. This top from Ego, super cute. I'm not wearing it right at all. I have to like put the brooch on the right way. But it's like actually really good quality. And I wanted to wear it possibly with these sparkly pants from Fashion Nova. I look a mess right now, but y'all will see the vision, obviously, in Lagos. But yeah, the shirt came out really cute. Like, Ego, low-key that girl. This is gonna be so cute. I just wish it was like a little bit tighter. And I have like this like Skims bodysuit under, which I bought last minute. I'm so glad I did. I did not know the material on this is like see-through. But it's cute. It's cute. It's giving holidays. It's super sparkly. Okay, check in, guys. 9:25. I tried on all my packages, and then I installed my wig. The only frontal wig that I'm taking with me to Nigeria, because I'm wearing mainly closures and plan on getting my hair done there a lot of times by different hairstylists. But I wanted to bring a frontal, like one like chef kiss wig, and this is it. I'm not done styling it. I was like, I'm gonna probably style it. I don't know if I'm gonna style it before the trip or during the trip, but I've got her finished. I finished like customizing and plucking it and installing it, so that is done. I wanted to style it today, but I have to now take a break and go to Best Buy and Walmart to do some last minute shopping. I have a little gift for myself that I'm gonna be picking up at Best Buy. I'm so excited. I'm gonna show y'all later that. And then Walmart to go get last minute. I have like a list of things to get. So let's go. I gotta hurry up because Best Buy closed at 10, Walmart closed at 11. So like it's quick. And I look like so dirty and everything, but I just gotta go, okay? This wig is like laid loosely, and I know it's not gonna like, I just know it's not gonna last. So I'm gonna try to see if I can stop at the hair store tomorrow morning. This is a very rushed install. I also am trying to film this tutorial for this. That's why I had to get this done, because this is like a tutorial I'm gonna be filming soon. So if you guys, you know, I'll probably see the tutorial before y'all see this vlog, but You want to see how I get my hairline melted like so? Not melted, but like how I customize my hairlines. Watch my tutorial. Okay. They literally closed in like 10 minutes. I hope I can still pick it up. It's a pickup order. Oh Lord. Hi, I have a pickup order.
Okay, let's get me an online phone order.
Thank you.
You here for a pickup?
Yes. Honestly, y'all, it's feeling like Christmas. I went ahead and just picked up from Best Buy the Digi Osmo Pocket 3. Like, so excited. Like, it's like a mini, like, what's it called? Like a mini, it's like a smaller camera. It's for my vlogging. I needed this for Nigeria because I want like a little discreet camera because I'd be so shy, and this way too it can fit in my purses because this camera I'm vlogging with, I feel like it's good for like my standalone videos. Ignore my car, it's making a lot of noise. I feel like this camera that I use to vlog, it's really like my camera for filming my tutorials, but it'd be too big and bulky and just like in your face, but at the same time in your face. And I like having like a vlogging camera and having a regular tutorial camera, and I can use it for my phone, like for TikTok. So yeah. Alright, I'm using Walmart as like my last resort for everything I don't have anymore. Okay, here's what we're really here for. Suitcases. I need me a big old checked bag. As nice as these bags look, I wish they had like, I like these like bags with like outside pockets more than I like these like hard shells. Like I like these because I feel like I get more storage with these. Let's see, I need a big checked bag. What's the price on this? $109. Give my handy dandy laptop bag. This is the best laptop bag I've ever had. I've had it for years. It's from Dan Dover. It was very expensive, not gonna lie, but it was worth the monies. And I don't even think I've washed it since I've had it, which is kind of disgusting. Sorry, confession. And I've traveled everywhere with this. I've had it for probably like 2 years now, or a year, I don't know. But yeah, gonna give her a wash as well. Add some Parasol. Best dish laundry detergent out there. It smells good and it does the job. Just gonna add a good amount. I'm gonna use hot water just to burn all the what's going on. All right. Now while the laundry is going, ooh, I'm going to start packing and organizing stuff. I'm trying to take, goal would be 2 check bags and carry-on, so I don't pay for too much. But at the most, I'm gonna take 3 check bags and carry-on. But I would like to just take these as my 2 check bags. So let's start packing. It's currently 3:52 a.m. Haven't even packed still properly, but I'm going to bed. I will be going to sleep. I have a major headache and I don't even have enough packing cubes. I ordered more stuff on Amazon. I'm so tired of spending money. Like the money you spend to go on a vacation is insane. I'm about to just go to bed. I made a plan for 9 a.m. tomorrow. Actually 8 a.m. tomorrow. It's late. Let me get at least like a couple hours of sleep and regroup. Bro, the house is chaotic right now. I feel chaotic, but I'm going to bed. Like, start fresh tomorrow, okay? Next day, I've managed to like regroup. And so I've been doing it for like the past 3 hours, sorting and organizing everything. And I'm almost there. I just need to sort this big box of like miscellaneous Amazon packages that I got. So many random last minute Amazon packages. Imagine all this stuff came like at 7 a.m. Shout out to Prime. Okay, and then what next? I need to like make it fit because I feel like it's not gonna fit. Hey, y'all, tell me why I paid $230 for my, I'm checking 3 bags. 2 bags is $80, but 3 bags is 280, 230. Anyways, let me stop talking. But I'm gonna also put shoes at the bottom. I've got a lot of shoes. Like, I tried to narrow it down, but I couldn't. And I try not to bring so many stiletto heels because apparently it's gonna sink into the grass, but that's all I got. I wanted to order shoe toppers last minute, shoe stoppers, but those did not come on time, unfortunately, on Amazon. So I got a lot of stilettos. So let's see which of these shoes I end up actually wearing, honestly. Okay, now clothes. In here is pajamas and housewear. I believe this is beach wear. What's this? I think tops. I should relabel these, but maybe when I get there, we'll see. I just used all the light colored packing cubes except this one. So I just know these are daytime clothes. This is this suitcase for now. Oh yeah, and then a trash bag for... A trash bag for what? A trash bag for dirty clothes. Literally running late when I'm supposed to have been left. Lord. This is all of my night outfits plus some shoes. Bruh, this is gonna fit. I hope so. It has to fit. Okay. That is it. Gotta get the hell out of here. I hope it's not busy at the airport. I'm meeting my friend. I literally made so much noise to her about how, no, I'm not gonna miss the flight. I'm gonna make it. Don't worry about me. I'm not a child. Watch me miss the flight, bro. I just wanted to be organized. And I don't have time to clean the house. The house is a fucking mess. Fudge. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh Lord, please. Just zip, bro. Just zip. That's all I ask. Oh, thank God. I'm literally sweating. Y'all, I don't think we're gonna make it. I don't think we're gonna make it, guys. Gosh, I have to make sure I have all the lights as the Uber's already downstairs. My wig is lifted. I feel a mess. I got one bag downstairs. I got all these fucking bags, dude. This is insane. I hope my Uber doesn't even just take my bags and run away with them. As if I'm not already late, bro. I'm over here trying to get this Skims package. Let's hope I make this flight. God bless this Uber driver. He's just freaking me. Oh wow. Thank you so much.
So I have a question.
Yeah.
You request a comfort ride, right?
Yes.
Okay. So you're heading to airport. You really want to go through the app?
What do you mean?
Because this ride is a smaller ride.
Okay.
But if you pay me straight, or you just cancel the ride, or if you want to go through the app, because the app is deducting 60% from the ride, so they're barely paying me like whatever you're paying, like they deduct 60%.
I'm okay with either one. How much would you want me to pay?
Whatever Uber charging you plus tip.
Okay, we could do that.
Yeah, you just cancel it, and that's fine.
Okay.
Just for others.
I don't know if I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna make it.
You need a car.
Yes. Oh my god, I got a cart.
drive it really carefully.
Oh Lord, so many things. Oh, okay, let's
Just very slow.
very slowly.
But still be careful because I don't want you to be bothered.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
God bless you.
Thank you. You have a safe ride.
Thank you. I knew it. Ghetto. Why? This is so ghetto. How about making a flight? Thank you so much. I don't know what I'm back for. It's like everything that can go wrong is just going wrong. Yeah, you're okay. Alright. Okay, at least that's not too bad.